People often ask you a detailed procedure I used to root a mango branch for growing a mango tree from cuttings. I used this method to clone a mango tree successfully. This method of growing the mango tree from cutting is not by grafting or layering. Fill a small clear bottle to a height of about 1 inch with water and mix half a teaspoon of rooting hormone powder. If you do not have rooting hormone, use a tablet of aspirin. Next, take a 6-inch cutting from a healthy branch of a mango tree and remove all of its leaves. Put one end of the cutting in the bottle. Place the bottle in a bright and warm place, water to mix some air in the water. Change the water every 3 or 4 days. When you change the water, there is not need to add rooting hormone. In 2 to 3, you will notice some white growth on the cutting. These are the places from where roots will grow. You may also see some leaf growth on the stem. Mix coarse river sand with potting mix in equal amount to make the soil free draining. Fill a small pot having holes at its bottom with this soil mixture. Water well to soak the soil at all points. Insert a stick in the soil to make a hole. Apply some rooting hormone on the stick and insert into the hole. Do not push. Do not water again. Seal the pot in a polythene bag to create high humidity inside. Place the pot at a warm and bright place away from direct sun. Open the bag every 10 days and mist some water inside and seal the bag again. You will see new growth in 3 to 6 weeks. When 2-3 sets of leaves are grown, then you can transplant the plant. Please like and share the video. Also please subscribe the channel to know when the new videos are posted.